Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Chromebook. First, ensure your device supports Android apps, a feature standard on Chrome OS version 83 and newer. You will also need the Google Play Store enabled, so verify its activation in your settings, typically found under Apps. This initial check is a crucial step before we proceed with the game installation. Once you have confirmed Play Store access, locate and open the Google Play Store app from your Chromebook's app launcher. In the search bar at the top, type Roblox and press Enter. Select the official Roblox application from the list of results, then tap the prominent Install button. The download size is approximately 220 megabytes, usually completing within a few minutes on a stable connection. After installation finishes, open your Chromebook's app launcher and find the new Roblox icon. Tap it to launch the application for the first time. You will then be prompted to either sign in with an existing Roblox account or create a new one. Provide your username and password or follow the simple steps to register, which only takes about 1 minute. To enhance your Roblox experience, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable RAM. Inside the Roblox game, navigate to settings and reduce the graphics quality. This can significantly improve frame rates, especially on less powerful Chromebooks. Always play on a stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally one with download speeds of at least 100 megabits per second, and keep your device plugged in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.